Hey guys, you already know what type of day it is. It's your girl Chelsea Afia. And today I'm doing like this type of vlog, a week in my life. Yeah. I don't know. Sometimes literally I always think of to vlog, like just me doing whatever. But then I always forget. And sometimes I'll be going to nice places too, like decent places, because usually I'm always home. I want to film a video today and it's Monday. Gotta start off the week right. So yeah, I just washed my face, brushed my teeth, literally just woke up. Well, I've been up, but I went back to sleep and then now I'm up again. That's how it usually is. And sometimes I'll wake up at like 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. Like, don't ask me why. Okay. But yeah, let's just get ready to film this video. Yeah. Alrighty, so I got a little tools up. I'm semi-ready, like still a long way to go. I'm about to film this video. I'm gonna film 2 videos, of course a makeup tutorial and a beauty favorites. Those videos would have been up this week before this video because, you know, I still have a whole week to show you what I do in my boring ass life. So yeah, this is like my setup. I'm literally in my kitchen. Literally, this lamp really does me favors, especially if it's like nice sunlight. The sun is not really booming today. There's no sun at all, but the daylight is pretty nice, and this lamp really helps your girl with the lighting. And then I have my ghetto ass tripod. Can't really see it with the lighting now, but hopefully you can. I'm trying to charge my phone too. It's so messed up. Let me plug it out. Okay. So then I have all my makeup stuff on the floor. So I've been filming on the floor ever since I uploaded that first ever video in my room. Nowadays I just been filming in my kitchen because of the better lighting. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later after I finish all these badass videos for you guys. Yes. Oh. Okay, you see myself. But I just finished filming my video. You already know. Outfit of the day. Okay, let's see. Okay, don't mind the pants, but the like pullover type of shirt, dress, whatever you want to call it, is from Boohoo. My mom ordered it, but then she was like, nah, it's not her type of taste. It's not her cup of tea, so she gave it to me and my sister, and I wore that in my video today. And then this tank top is from Garage. Like, that's the only store where I get my like tank tops and stuff because they have so much variety, so many colors. Like, look at it. Like, okay, it's messy, but tank tops, all of it's from Garage, every single one. Some of them is from like H&M, which is like my sister's mostly, but literally I even have the tag in one of them still. Garage. Okay, but oh my god, let me tell you, this room is so messy. I have to put everything back. Like, okay, my bed is not the greatest to look at, but like, I'm about to clean up, and literally my baby brother's toys is on the floor as well. That's not as much, but I'm gonna clean it up right now before it's even worse. So yeah, come clean with me. Yay. Alrighty, everything is semi-clean. I'm not really doing too much on my bed because I'm about to lay on it since I'm home. Okay. Catch up on my shows and stuff. I need to eat because your girl hungry. Like, I haven't even eaten all day. It's like almost noon and your girl hasn't eaten one bit. it's been a few hours. It's like around 3 something, I think 3:30. I don't even know. I've just been watching Netflix, watching YouTube videos after I ate and what's not. I'm about to head to Family Dollar, which is a dollar store that we have in New York City. If you have a Family Dollar near you, you already know. It comes with clutch. I actually like Family Dollar. I'm about to get some candy. Yes, I have a weakness of candy. Please help me, guys. But I'm about to do that. It's not even that hot today. It's actually a little chilly. That's why I'm wearing a sweater. But it's nice and sunny. It's about 70 degrees. Yo, it's like I'm a meteorologist or something. But yeah, I guess I'll see you guys when I get to Family Dollar, because it's literally only a couple of blocks down from where I live. It's walking distance, you know. So, and I like to walk sometimes during the day. Keeps me, you know, healthy, I guess. Or yeah, I just like walking. Bye. All right, so for dinner, your girl got some ramen. Yes, and I have some vegetables with green peas. These skinny ones, I forgot what the name were. Yellow carrots, orange carrots, mushrooms, like healthy. I love my vegetables, so you already know. And it's just a quick, easy dinner. It's still kind of healthy, even though ramen is literally packed with sodium, but you know, at least the vegetables will balance it, I guess. But either way, it's around 6:40, almost 7 o'clock, so you know, the day is just begun. Let me stop. The day is almost over, but you know, I've just been chilling. And yeah, Monday's such a boring day, but at least I filmed 2 videos, so yeah. But either ways, I'll catch you guys later. I need to take off this makeup soon to take me a shower. Love and Hip Hop is about to come, literally. But either way, I'll catch you guys later when I'm officially going to bed, or if I'll show you like a little snippet of Love and Hip Hop. I don't know, but anyways, bye. Alrighty, time to take off this makeup. Thank the Lord. I like to use I just grab any makeup wipes from like Walmart. So right now, currently, I have these Equate makeup remover. It's in a pack of 40, and since I've been using this micellar water, that's what I use to wipe out my makeup with the makeup wipe. Oh my god, like literally, if I didn't need to take a shower right now, I'll just use this bad boy and call it a night. Alright, so when I get out of the shower, it's acne treatment time, so I'm gonna cleanse my face first. If you watch, you know, my current favorites, you will know what this acne treatment is, and I really like it so far, so yeah. Hey guys, what's up? It's Tuesday. I'm out with my baby brother and also my mom. You wanna be in the camera, mommy? So yeah, we're about to go to Costco and get some few things there. You know, a little grocery shopping. Boo Boo, say hi. Cheese. Well, I'll catch you guys later. So. Okay, so we stopped. Oh, no problem. We stopped at Walmart for a quick sec. I don't even know if we're gonna go to Costco, but either way, I'm at the makeup side, of course. Trying to find a beauty sponge for my mom. I'll probably get one for myself too, because you know, just to have extra. Where is? Oh, let's see Lola. Come on, baby. My baby bro. So cute. Hey guys, it's Thursday, the 14th. I didn't even vlog anything Wednesday because I literally didn't do anything. It was so rainy, so drowsy. Literally outside is nice and windy. I'm about to nice and sunny, nice and windy. So like I said, this summer weather or spring weather, because it's still spring, it's been bipolar. One day it will be literally drenched in rain, and then it will be boiling hot the next day, windy as hell. But either way, it's a nice weather today. It's not too hot because the wind, you know, balances it. I'm about to do my makeup right now because I'm about to head out with my mom. We're gonna go get something to eat and all of that, and do a little shopping because Father's Day is coming up, and also it falls on my baby brother's birthday. He's gonna be 4. Like literally, oh my god, time flies so fast. Like I always remember the day that he was born, and literally he's gonna be 4 years old. It's the time he's gonna start kindergarten, like pre-K. It's crazy. It's crazy. But either way, let's quickly get ready. All right. So I finished my makeup. I added some liner, mascara, and for my lips, I'm wearing, of course, brown lip liner. Yes, you gotta pull out that brown lip liner. And I'm wearing, oh my god, the stupid plane. That's what you get when I live right behind the water, where LaGuardia Airport is. For my lips, I am wearing e.l.f. blushing brown mixed a little bit with Ravishing Rose, and for that nice gloss look, Maybelline Vivid Hot Liquid Lacquer in the shade Unreal. So yeah, we're gonna do little excursions. Gotta hit the highlight. Hopefully you can see it. Ooh, child. I'm about to take some pictures right now. So I'll see you guys later. What?
Chelsea, this Chelsea dress.
It's mine? It's a shirt. It's pretty. What size is it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Doesn't even say the size. Am I blind?
What is that?
It's pretty. Thank you, boo boo.
You're welcome, Chelsea.
No.
I'll get right back. I play with. Okay, I go with mommy.
Okay, you go with mommy. Hey guys, literally it is Saturday evening. I did not do not one thing Friday, and I didn't do anything today as well. I just came back from doing one of my clients' makeup, and now I'm about to go to, once again, Family Dollar, only because I need to buy wrapping paper for my baby brother's birthday tomorrow, which is Sunday, June 17th, and also a few other items that I need or want. Yes. I'm joking. But yeah, I'm gonna sign off because literally I was not even in the mood to just vlog or film throughout this like weekend, but I'll definitely film a little bit of my baby brother's birthday. Of course I have to, just to show you guys, add more minutes. But yeah, I'm so like, I'm not even with it today. I don't know why, but yeah, I'll see you guys later.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Yapu. Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Wish.
Make a wish. Make a wish. Wow. Too fast. Too fast for your own life.
How old are you?
1, 2, 3, 4.
What's that?
4.
Yay! Love you, Daddy. Can I get a hug? Come. Mwah. Ha. Eat
Yay.
Papa.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to